So MINIject, the implant, is made of a very special material called STAR. STAR has been developed at the University of Washington in Seattle, and it actually is a soft and flexible medical grade silicone material, which inside is made of interconnected spheres. Actually, 1/3 of the implant is made of silicone and the rest of it is void. And in total, we're talking about around 180,000 interconnected spheres. So these are really microscopic pores interconnected to each other. Why going to such a complex design? Well, simply because the preclinical studies have shown that by offering such small pores, we offer actually the adjacent tissues to send their healthy cells into the material in such a way that they biocolonize the material. And we truly believe that this biocolonization is the secret for reduction of the fibrotic reaction and a very limited level of encapsulation of the implants. And that's exactly what we start to see in our clinical trials. We see really sustained effects, sustained powerful effect of IOP reduction over time.
In late 2021, I was one of the first surgeons to use MINIject after its commercial approval in Europe. I was keen to try it because MINIject is a supraciliary max, and as shown in various trials, it offers around 40% IOP lowering at 2 years as a standalone procedure while being bleb-free. The surgery is quite intuitive. MINIject is implanted into the supraciliary space of internal. This safe and minimally invasive approach results in a meaningful efficacy while preserving the conjunctiva for possible procedures later on. MINIject has become one of my first-line mix, particularly for mild and moderate glaucoma cases where a sufficient IOP reduction is needed. I'm pleased to be able to offer this safe and effective treatment option now to my patients.